Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making Chinese basic dipping sauce today. It is so basic that can almost be used with anything that need to be dipped, such as dumplings, steamed buns, or even cooked meat. Any regular soy sauce is okay, however the premium soy sauce is better because of the slightly stronger taste of umami. 1 tablespoon of this. About vinegar, the darker color vinegar or this lighter color vinegar are good. Both of them are fermented from rice. The one you want to avoid is the white vinegar. Although it is a wonderful product for life, it's simply not good for this sauce. Now pour 1 tablespoon of water. So soy sauce, vinegar, and water are equally proportioned. Let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. At this moment, we have constructed the base flavor for the sauce. You can use it now, but you can also further enhance the taste by adding the chili oil. I have a video about how to make this chili oil. I will put the link in the description down below. Let's get 1 tablespoon there, or depending on how hot you can handle. Finally, we add some herbs. Run the knife in the middle of the green onion a few times, and then finely chop it. Cilantro as well. Here we go. The hotness of the chili oil, contrasted by the sourness of the vinegar with the saltiness of the soy sauce at the background, and a hint of the sesame seed taste. Last but not least, the umami taste from the fermentation. All of this stimulates each single taste bud on your tongue. This is a kind of the richness that the basic dipping sauce offers you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.